Chris Potter. Today is January 23rd, 2017. The name of today's presentation is Ionization in Earth's Atmosphere Producing Unnaturally Colored Clouds. A physicist's thoughts. Let's begin, shall we? Clouds are made up of tiny droplets of water which scatter all frequencies of sunlight equally. All the frequencies of sunlight or white light can be divided into three main colors: red, green, and blue. Now if we combine green and blue, we get cyan. If we combine red and blue, we get magenta. And if we combine green and red, we get yellow. When all three primary colors are combined, we get white light. Figure 1 illustrates this below. Thus, since clouds scatter all frequencies of light equally, they usually look white. Figure 2. Figure 1. Combining the three different primary colors of light produces other colors: cyan from combining blue and green, yellow from the combining of red and green, and magenta from combining red and blue. When all three primary colors are combined equally, white light is produced. Figure 2. White light from the sun is made up of three main frequencies, which are equally scattered by clouds made up of small droplets of water. Thus, clouds look white. The atmosphere, which is mainly made up of nitrogen molecules, scatters the blue frequency more than the other two frequencies. So the sky looks blue. Illustrated here. There's our sun. The atmosphere scatters mainly the blue frequency. White light rays coming from the sun. Here's a cloud. And the cloud scatters all three frequencies equally. Now, clouds can look gray when the water droplets in them get larger because sunlight is able to penetrate them. Clouds can also look reddish because of a high concentration of dust particles in the atmosphere, which scatter mainly red light, especially at sunset. However, violet clouds are, well, a new phenomenon now observed in our planet's atmosphere. Figure 3 below shows images of the sky with violet-colored clouds. Totally normal, fresh, and happy. It is simply not normal for clouds to look violet. Blue clouds have also been observed. See Figure 4 below, which are also not natural. It is possible that this effect is produced by the particles used for geoengineering, but another possibility is that these clouds are being illuminated with violet and blue light. Ah! There is no violet emitting stars, but violet light can be emitted by ionized gases. Thus the title of this presentation, my friends. So there is a possibility that ionized gases in the upper atmosphere are producing the violet light illuminating the clouds in Figure 3 below. Figure 3, violet clouds. Figure 4, blue clouds seemingly illuminated by a blue light source from above. Now, Figure 5 shows discharge tubes with different gases from left to right. We have nitrogen, which shows purple when ionized. Then we have oxygen, which shows with the bluish violet light. Then carbon dioxide, which glows with the blue light. And finally helium, which glows with an orange light. The light from the second tube in Figure 5 contains oxygen, which best matches the violet color of the clouds in Figure 3. And then the third tube in Figure 5 containing carbon dioxide best matches the blue color of the clouds in Figure 4. Figure 5 from left to right, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and helium discharge tubes, displaying the characteristic color each gas glows when ionized. Oxygen, the second discharge tube, has a bluish-violet glow like the clouds in Figure 3. However, since the light source, in Figure 4 is clearly discernible and looks blue, and since blue light emitting stars exist, it is possible that the source of light producing the blue clouds in figure 4 is a blue star. Figure 6, violet sky produced by lightning which ionizes oxygen molecule which then emits violet light. Figure 6 above shows how violet light can be formed in the Earth's atmosphere. The lightning ionizes the oxygen in the air, which then emits violet light. But if we do not see lightning in clouds, which look violet, then it is possible that the lightning or plasma discharges are happening in the upper atmosphere and above the clouds. Figure 7 is an illustration of this. Illustration of how a plasma discharge between an unknown planet and the Earth may produce a cloud of ionized oxygen, which emits violet light and illuminates a cloud closer to the Earth's surface. All right, here's the Earth, here's the unknown planet. This little guy here, cloud at lower altitude, illuminated by the cloud of the ionized oxygen. Here is the cloud of ionized oxygen. Here is the plasma discharge between the two planetary bodies. Figure 8 below shows a very interesting display of blue and orange clouds. The blue could be due to a blue light source and the orange due to an orange light source, but it's also possible that ionization of gases in the upper atmosphere is producing that light that is illuminating these clouds. The blue could be due to ionized carbon dioxide, which was the third tube in figure 5, which glows with the blue light, and the orange from the helium, which was the last tube in figure 5, which glows with an orange light. The question then would be, where is the helium coming from, since there's only supposed to be 5.2 parts per million of helium in Earth's atmosphere? The answer may be that the helium is coming into the Earth's atmosphere from space, or that the helium ionization may actually be occurring outside the Earth's atmosphere, but be coming from a large cloud of ionized helium. This cloud would then be bright enough to illuminate clouds in the Earth's atmosphere. A large cloud of ionized helium is what we may expect to find around a helium-core brown dwarf star, which suggests that there may be a brown dwarf star close to our sun. Figure 8. Blue and orange clouds. Figure 9 below, which also may be produced from illumination provided by ionized gases, in this case hydrogen. But as with helium, there is very little hydrogen in Earth's atmosphere, so the cloud of ionized hydrogen may be outside of Earth's atmosphere. Figure 9, magenta-colored sky and a hydrogen discharge tube next to it, which glows with magenta light. Figure 10 below illustrates a cloud of ionized material which may be illuminating the Earth and producing strange colors in our skies and clouds. Here's Earth. Here's the cloud of ionized helium. Cloud illuminated by cloud of ionized helium. Earth's atmosphere. Light rays coming from cloud of ionized helium. Cloud illuminated by cloud of ionized helium. Figure 10, illustration of how an ionized cloud of helium outside the Earth's atmosphere may illuminate clouds in the Earth's atmosphere so that they look orange. The night sky is supposed to be illuminated by the moon and stars, and if the moon is not visible, the sky is supposed to be mainly black. But in the two images shown in figure 11 below, we see a yellow glow in the night sky. The glow is brightest close to the horizon in both images. In the left image, there's also a greenish glow above the yellowish glow, and also a reddish glow above the greenish one. This can perhaps only be explained by either the ionization of gases in our atmosphere, which suggests that the Earth's atmosphere may be experiencing plasma discharges from objects outside the Earth's atmosphere, or the Earth is being illuminated by clouds of ionized gas outside of the Earth's atmosphere. However, this would require that unknown planets or brown dwarfs, etc., stars, to be in our solar system, and in this case planets, they must be coming close to our planet to cause plasma discharges. Figure 11. Reddish glow above a greenish glow, which is above a yellowish glow, left image, suggesting that plasma discharges are happening between objects outside the Earth's atmosphere and the Earth. The yellow glow, the right image, close to the horizon may indicate the presence of a yellow star or a cloud of ionized material just below the horizon, or plasma discharges, as in the left image. So in conclusion, it is possible that the strange coloring observed in the Earth's clouds and sky, may be produced by light emitted by ionized gases. That in turn presents us with the strong possibility that there are planets and stars in the solar system that may be giving rise to a larger amount of light emission produced by the ionization of gases. Chris Potter, A Physicist's Thoughts. Have a good day.